Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting facts. List every Apple ID signed into devices and services so you can see overlap and ownership. Once done, make sure you have passwords and two-factor devices for each account because you'll need to sign in to verify and transfer. Also note which Apple ID owns purchases, iCloud backups, and subscriptions. Knowing ownership prevents accidental data loss when you consolidate accounts or change purchases. This prepares you to act deliberately instead of guessing. You now sign into each device and service to identify the linked Apple ID and to check iCloud data and backups. Once identified, use family sharing for shared purchases or transfer subscriptions to the primary account whenever possible. This keeps purchases accessible. Then, sign out the secondary accounts from devices you control, unlinking iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and App Store where appropriate. This prevents confusion and ensures the primary Apple ID remains the active account across your devices. Finish by verifying a complete backup under the primary Apple ID. Check iCloud Drive, photos, and device backups. Then remove or delete secondary accounts once data is safe. Make sure every device is signed into the primary account, and if necessary, perform a sign-out and reset to clear residual links. If you get locked out or see unexpected purchases, use Apple's account recovery process or contact Apple support with purchase receipts and ID. This resolves access issues without risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.